Hello guys, today I got sent this vertical docking MacBook station. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it and I'm gonna show you what comes inside. First of all, we're provided with a C2C USB cable and we're provided with a vertical docking station right here. Wow, look at this color, definitely matches the color of the space gray for your Mac. It's definitely a nice color. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what comes on the back. On the back we have two USB-C cables. We also have an HDMI 4K output. We have an Ethernet port and we have two USB 5GB ports. On the side of this docking station you're gonna find a couple slots. One of them is gonna be for a micro SD card and the other one's gonna be for a regular SD card. Now on the other side we're gonna find extra ports. A very cool feature about this docking station is that it will support a solid state drive in the docking station right here. The only thing you need to do is put your solid state drive right there, close it up, and you're gonna be able to access it through this USB-C port right here. Okay, so I already told you all the features that this docking station has. Let me go ahead and get it installed and show you how it looks. So the first step is we're gonna go ahead and connect our USB-C provided cable right here where it says to the host, okay? We're gonna connect one of our monitors directly onto the vertical docking station. I'm gonna connect my other monitor to my Mac directly. I'm gonna connect a hard drive that I have through the USB port right here. I'm gonna connect the charger to my Mac, and finally the Type-C that comes from the docking station to my Mac. Okay guys, so as you can see, our office looks very nice. The cable and the wiring, is behind the station. Everything's connected to the station and then to my Mac laptop. The two screens are working because, I have it, in that setup. I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.